Hi.
Some of the worry right here for you.
So here we are at Raffaldini Vineyards. We're drinking some sparkling before we get into our Sagrantino vertical. So we'll be drinking soon. So in the Sagrantino tasting, we're going to be doing a 2015, 2017, 2018, 19, and a 21. So we'll be doing 5 different years. So we'll see how this is. We brought our American Wine Society evaluation sheet so we could take all of our notes and see which one we like the best.
Alcohol, maybe 10, between 9 and 10. Then we'll add 24 grams per liter dosage to the wine, okay? And then we'll put the wine into bottle and we ferment it. A second fermentation in bottle that brings the wine to 6 atmospheres of pressure. And basically, by fermenting it in the bottle, you trap all the CO2 that's generated from the yeast consuming the 24 grams of sugar in bottle. So it raises the alcohol by about 1.5% as well.
No, I did it in 4 barrels. But I'm doing the second version I'm doing the next version in the woodies because I didn't have enough barrels. So I'm changing it up a little bit, but this was an experiment that I did without give it a try. I'd love to get some feedback.
Okay, so we are trying a brand new, yet to be released. This will be released in August, but it's Vermentino from Raffaldini, and oak barrels. So let's try it. It's different. What do you think, Jen?
Yeah. It is different.
You could get that kind of mellow, smoothie, almost Chardonnay in this,
Yeah, it's
but
very
like I said, it's a Vermentino.
A little bit slight butter, not much.
Cheers.
When I was there, they make the best Sauvignon Blanc, I think, in the country. And when I learned from Francoise Pichon how she made her wine. So it was 70% stainless steel, but then we fermented in this little cave in the back. And so that extra body added to the Sauvignon Blanc. So you have Sauvignon Blancs from New Zealand that are just crisp and stainless and just kind of disappear when you drink them. So this extra weight. So what I asked Jay was like, can I get a couple barrels? And so I had Vermentino in the back fermenting. And I was going to use it to beef up the Vermentino Superiore, but I didn't think that was the best use of it. So eventually I was like, all right, Jay, it's been like a year and a half. This wine's sitting back there. And I was like, you want to come and try something really good? And he's like, we got to buy this. So then Rotary was born that way. Because that's what's fun is to do these experiments. And what's unique about this wine is, I also learned this trick at Arajo was not to use French oak. So I have 2 barrels of acacia, and acacia just has a less of an influence than French oak does. And I don't use any American oak because I don't like the compound whiskey lactone. I mean, I do like it. I like it in my bourbon, but I don't like it in my wine. So, and that's the main difference between French or European oak and American oak is one compound, whiskey lactone. And it's just too much for me. So, but the acacia one is very subtle. So, does this wine seem overly oaky to you? Do you think it needs more oak?
No.
Yeah. Because I was trying.
It's the rarest grape in the world, less than 2,000 acres planted. 1,900 acres for one town in the province of Umbria, east of Tuscany, and the town is called Montefalco, which means Falcon Mountain. Okay. Now, first time I had Sagrantino was about 15 years ago, and I went, wow, this wine's great. So when I researched this grape, I realized that this is one of the most tannic red grapes in the world, alongside tannic. So Sagrantino, really small berries, very thick skin. It's going to give you a lot of color and a lot of.
Right, so we just finished going through all 5. We drank half of them, as you see, because we will come back and try them again. And we got our notes here so far. So you see, we like to take a lot of notes. I got more notes here, notes and quotes and everything. So when we write up the story, and next we're gonna go eat a little. What do we have here, Jen?
We have got, let's see here, looks yummy. Got some salami,
Looks good.
almonds, cheese, honey stick, chocolate.
That looks like rice
olives.
from here, but it's not rice. And this is a little honey chopstick.
Yeah.